You know that addictive, irresistible sound, the one that turns grown adults into giggling kids? It's bubble wrap. But what if I told you this beloved packaging material was never supposed to protect packages at all? Yep, the story of bubble wrap is one of failed ideas, bizarre invention, and a second chance that changed shipping forever. It all started in 1957. Two inventors, Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavan, were working together in a garage in New Jersey. They had a quirky goal to invent textured, futuristic-looking wallpaper, seriously. Their idea? Seal two plastic shower curtains together, trapping air bubbles between them to create a three-dimensional wall covering. The result? Something soft, puffy, and totally weird-looking. They thought it was modern. The world thought it was ugly. Unsurprisingly, bubble wallpaper never took off. But instead of throwing in the towel, Fielding and Chavan looked for a new use for their failed product. They experimented, they brainstormed, and then came the light bulb moment. What if this stuff could be used to protect fragile items? And that's when everything changed. A few years later, IBM had just released its new 1401 computer. It was cutting edge, but also fragile and expensive to ship. IBM needed a packaging solution that would protect delicate tech parts from shocks and vibrations. That's when bubble wrap got its big break. It was perfect. Lightweight, flexible, and able to cushion even the most delicate machinery. IBM started using it to ship computers, and suddenly bubble wrap had a brand new purpose. From there, its popularity exploded. It became a go-to solution for shipping electronics, glass, artwork, and anything remotely fragile. Companies loved it, customers trusted it, and the pop sound, that became its own kind of magic. But bubble wrap didn't stop at shipping. People started popping it just for fun. It became a toy, a stress reliever, even a form of therapy. There's something incredibly satisfying, almost primal, about popping those little pockets of air. Eventually, bubble wrap reached cult status. It inspired fan clubs, novelty calendars, and yes, even its own holiday. The last Monday of January is officially National Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day. No joke. It's also a staple of internet culture. ASMR creators use it to trigger tingles, artists use it in sculpture, kids use it for crafts. And let's be honest, most of us don't wait for stress to pop a few bubbles. Today, Sealed Air, the company behind bubble wrap, manufactures millions of square feet of the stuff each year. It's protected everything from ancient artifacts to Amazon orders. And it all came from a weird idea about wallpaper. So the next time you tear open a box and find bubble wrap inside, remember, you're not just holding packing material, you're touching a piece of accidental genius, a failure that found a second life, a pop icon in every sense of the word. Subscribe for more fun facts.